Hey guys. Hi. It's okay. Come here. What do you think, huh? I'm scary? Am I scary? Come here. It's alright. It's not so bad. There you go. There you go. That's not so bad. What about you? Come here, Torty. Come here, little Torty. Oh, come here, come here. Look how cute you are. Say hello. It's all right. There. Don't try to jump out, look. Oh, yes, petting is nice. Oh, where are you going? Don't run away. There you go. And you with your pretty face. You with your pretty face. Can I touch you?